How does cochlear implant, Rehab, improve sound localization? Imagine trying to find the source of a sound in a busy room. Without both ears working together, it can be really tricky to tell if a noise is coming from your left or right. That's because our brains relying on key cues to locate sounds. When one ear is deaf, these cues are missing, making sound localization difficult. Cochlear implants can help restore some hearing in the deaf ear, but to truly improve your ability to pinpoint where sounds come from, a structured rehabilitation process is essential. Normally, your brain uses tiny differences in the timing and loudness of sounds reaching each ear to figure out where a sound is coming from. This is called binaural hearing. When one ear doesn't work, these cues are lost, and your brain struggles to interpret sound direction. A cochlear implant bypasses damaged parts of the inner ear and directly stimulates the auditory nerve, sending sound signals to the brain. For someone with single-sided deafness, getting a cochlear implant in the deaf ear provides new auditory input. Over time, the brain learns to combine this input with the normal hearing ear, gradually improving sound localization. Rehabilitation is a key part of this process. It involves targeted exercises and training designed to help the brain interpret the signals from the cochlear implant correctly. This isn't an instant fix. It takes consistent effort and practice. Auditory training helps the brain learn to distinguish sounds and understand where they are coming from. Activities often include identifying sounds from different directions and in noisy environments. These exercises help retrain the brain to use both ears together effectively. Another important aspect is fine-tuning the cochlear implant. Audiologists adjust the device to balance loudness and pitch between the implanted ear and the normal hearing ear. Proper programming reduces mismatched signals that can confuse the brain and enhances sound clarity. This personalized adjustment makes a big difference in how well you can localize sounds. Research shows that people with single-sided deafness who undergo cochlear implant rehabilitation often see notable improvements in sound localization. Tests measuring how accurately someone can point to where a sound is coming from show that errors decrease significantly after training. Some studies report a reduction of more than 20 degrees in localization error, which can make a real difference in daily life. Better localization helps with safety, like hearing approaching vehicles or sirens, and makes following conversations easier, especially in noisy settings. It's important to remember that results vary from person to person. Factors like how long the ear has been deaf, the quality of the rehabilitation, and individual brain plasticity influence outcomes. While some may regain near-normal localization, others may see more modest improvements. Still, even small gains can greatly enhance confidence and overall hearing experience. Rehabilitation also helps with practical daily benefits. Being able to tell where sounds are coming from can make you feel safer and more independent. It can improve your ability to participate in social activities and reduce feelings of isolation. However, it's crucial to have realistic expectations. Cochlear implant rehabilitation improves localization but rarely restores it completely to the level of normal ears. Using visual cues and head movements can help compensate for remaining challenges. Always work with a qualified audiologist or hearing specialist for your rehabilitation. They can customize exercises, monitor progress, and adjust the cochlear implant settings to maximize your results. Skipping professional guidance can limit the benefits you receive from the device. Scientists continue to explore new ways to enhance sound localization, such as combining auditory cues with tactile feedback like vibrations. While these methods are still experimental, ongoing research aims to improve how well cochlear implants can help with sound localization in the future. In summary, cochlear implant rehabilitation improves sound localization by helping the brain learn to interpret new auditory signals from the deaf ear. Through consistent training, device adjustments, and practice, many individuals can regain a meaningful sense of where sounds are coming from. This not only makes everyday listening safer and easier but also boosts confidence and quality of life. Remember, each person's journey is unique, so always seek guidance from healthcare professionals to get the best possible outcome.